Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, put on protective eyewear and gloves before you begin working. These simple steps will help ensure a smooth and safe battery swap. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Pop your hood and locate the battery, usually on one side of the engine bay. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, then carefully remove the cable. Repeat this process for the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten any clamps or straps that hold the battery in place, allowing you to lift it out safely. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, securing it tightly as well. You're almost done. Double-check that both battery terminals are tight and secure, and reattach any hold-down clamps or straps. Give the battery a gentle wiggle to ensure it's firmly in place. Now, start your Ford Focus to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.